Hello everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Glad to have you here today. If you run a retail store or convenience shop, you already know how high the demand is for fast and reliable charging accessories. That's why stocking high-quality wholesale USB C cables can be a smart move for your business. At RITE Distribution, you can find durable USB C cables designed for everyday customer needs. They're reliable, fast charging, and perfect for keeping your shelves stocked with products customers actually buy. Whether your customers need charging solutions for smartphones, tablets, or modern devices, USB C cables are now an everyday essential. And with wholesale pricing from RITE Distribution, managing your inventory becomes easier and more profitable. Fast ordering, dependable quality, and reliable supply. Everything your business needs in one place. Visit www.ritedistribution.com to explore the latest USB C cable collection today. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.